Hello and welcome to today's Problem Sums video tutorial. This question was actually taken from a 2020 prelim maths examination from one of the schools in Singapore. Alright, and it tests us on the concept of money and also grouping as well. Okay, I believe this was the very first question of the paper 2 for that particular school. Okay, so let's read. For every box of surgical masks he sells, Mr. Raja earns $12. Okay, this is for each and every box that he sells. An additional $8 is given for every 10 boxes of masks, of surgical masks that he sells. How many boxes of surgical masks must Mr. Raja sell to make $3,200? This is a W here. How many of these boxes must he sell in order to make $3,200? Alright, so of course, if you are Mr. Raja, you would want to sell as many sets of 10 boxes, right? Because each time you sell a set of 10 boxes, you not only get $12 per box, you also are given a bonus of $8. Alright, so we can actually group these 10 boxes and we find out, okay, if he sells 10 boxes, what is the total amount of money that he can get? Alright, so that's first step. Second step, we try and see how many of these 10 boxes does he need to sell to achieve a number close to $3,200. Alright, that will tell us the number of sets that he needs to sell. And then there will be some money remaining. So for those amount of money that is remaining, we need to see how many individual boxes must he sell. Okay, first step. In one set of 10 boxes, earnings will be 10 multiplied by $12, but don't forget he gets a bonus of $8. Okay, so let's calculate this. We are gonna get $128 just by selling 10 boxes. Okay, so the next step, we see how many of such sets can or must Mr. Raja sell. Okay, 3,200 divided by 128. 25 sets. Exactly 25 sets. So which means that the number of boxes of surgical masks that Mr. Raja has to sell is 25 multiplied by 10. Alright, why multiplied by 10? Because each set there are 10 boxes. $250 boxes. Alright, so this is actually our final answer for this question. Again, for this question, what we did was we found out in one set what is his earnings. 10 times 12. Why 10 times 12? Because each box he gets $12 and then an additional bonus is given of $8. So for each set that he sells, each set of 10 boxes, he gets $128. So from there, I need to know, okay, if he wants to make $3,200, how many of such sets must he sell? Number of sets, 3,200 divided by 128, exactly 25 sets. Alright, now sometimes you will get, let's say in another example, you may get like, 24 and a half, which means he can only sell 24 sets. Alright, then the additional amount of money that he has to make must come from individual boxes. Okay, so there will be such instances of such questions where you may not get a very nice number like this, but don't panic. Additional amount of money that is more than the sets will be used to buy boxes that is not part of the sets. Okay, basically individually packed boxes. So from there we get 25 sets. And number of boxes 25 multiplied by 10, because each set there are 10 boxes, so that is 250 boxes. Final answer for this question. Thank you very much.